An alleged new render for the upcoming Huawei Mate 30 Pro smartphone has popped up online. The render, which was published on Chinese social media site website Weibo, shows a quad camera setup in an interesting new circular design. While earlier rumors had indicated the presence of a rectangular camera module, an alleged glass back of the Mate 30 Pro had surfaced online recently, showing a circular camera cutout. Huawei Mate 30 Pro is believed to be coming later this year, but the company is yet to officially say anything about the phone. Shared on Weibo by a user, the new render shows 4 camera lenses with a dual LED flash. The render includes Leica branding and notes that the phone will use the company's Sumilex H lens and support 5x optical zoom. Apart from the curved edges and Huawei branding, no other details are visible on the render. There is no way to authenticate the render, and some are already calling it a fan-made concept, whereas others are questioning its credibility. So take this with a pinch of salt. Apart from the previously leaked glass back with a circular cutout, we are yet to see anything to support the design shown in the leaked render. As per previous rumors and leaks, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro will be powered by high-silicon Kirin 985 SoC, and it will be joined by a variant with 5G support using Balong 5000 modem. The phone is also rumored to be packing a 6.71-inch screen and an in-display fingerprint sensor, a 4200 mAh battery with support 55 fast charging.